Hello everyone, let's see how to replace or upgrade the RAM of Lenovo V490 laptop or a notebook. Turn your laptop upside down, remove the battery. Removing battery is important because there are chances that you may drop any screws on the inside and it will damage your motherboard. After removing the screws, here this is the RAM. Okay, widen the locks holding the RAM this way. The RAM will pop up. Pull it gently. If you are facing powering on no display, clean these terminals. As you can see, here is the dust on this RAM. We'll clean it. After cleaning, just insert it back in this way. See that this notch fits exactly into the groove. Here, push it down, lock it. So this RAM is of 2 GB. If you want, you can upgrade it to 4 GB by adding one more 2 GB, or you can upgrade to 6 GB by adding one more 4 GB. After inserting, just cover the back door here. Insert your battery and we are done. We are ready to go. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.